How to fix red eyes on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to fix. Whenever you take a picture on Snapchat, you're getting the red eyes. But when you use the normal camera on your phone, you do not have red eyes on your photos. Now, if this is only happening with Snapchat, there may be an issue with Snapchat. So in this case, what you can do is just tap and hold the app of Snapchat, tap on app info, and tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. What this is gonna do is log you out of your Snapchat, and it will also remove the caches which may be causing this glitch. Once you do this step, try to check if this fixes the issue. If it does not, you can uninstall the app of Snapchat from your phone, and once the app has been uninstalled, you can again re-download and log into your account. Once you do these couple of steps, your red eyes on Snapchat should be fixed. But however, the red eyes mainly appears due to the flash of your camera, so try to turn off flash if you can while taking a picture. Or there are other applications as well which help you in removing those red eyes, or if you know how to use Photoshop, you can use it. But however, there are free tools that you can use which helps in removing the red eyes from pictures. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.